most populous municipality of the People's Republic of China, and the political, economic, and cultural center in upper reaches of the Yangtze River. Since it became a municipality, considerable development has been achieved in its foreign trade and economic level, such that some vigorous foreign trade enterprises emerge in the international competition market, while their reputation rises. Chongqing Tianshi Animal Byproducts Company Limited is a member of these elite foreign trade firms, founded in 2002. Chongqing Tianshi Animal Byproducts Company Limited is an industrialization leading enterprise specialized in processing and exporting of salted sausage casings. The company's flagship product, salted hog casings, with its excellent quality and good reputation, is best-selling throughout the year in Europe and America, winning high trust and praise of the consumers. Chongqing Tianshi Animal Byproducts Company Limited has more than 200 employees and possesses clean and beautiful production environment, a modern plant area and advanced production equipment that comply with EU standards for food hygiene registration. Its production capacity is annually 10,000 barrels of high-quality casings. Chongqing has mild climate and abundant rainfall, and is very rich in casing resources. Chongqing Tianshi Animal Byproducts Company Limited makes full use of top-quality casing resources in Chongqing, and has established a long-term purchase and sale cooperation relationship with dozens of top-quality sausage casing raw material bases in urban and suburban districts and counties, thus providing a reliable raw material guarantee for the production of high-quality products. In the process of continuous optimization and improvement, the company has created a staff team with moral integrity and ability and strong technical strength. The company is possessed of China's most advanced casing production technology, whose casings are superior in quality, and its powerful technical strengths making it possible to fabricate a variety of salted casings with various specifications according to customer demand, and offer original cutter casings, bleached casings, tube casings, vacuum packing casings, and double bundle, etc. Being fresh, superior cutter, thin and tough, clean and hygienic with standard specifications, the product forms unique Tianshi sausage casing style, winning high reputation on the international market. Our company always adheres to the business philosophy of the quality first and seeking development with honesty and faith. Now, it has established a complete set of standardized quality management system, from procurement of raw materials to finished products delivery from the factory, and